Good day to you, my prospective employer in Romania. My name is Jean Tanimura. I am 45 years old. I am a single, but I have a children, ages 17, 14, and 11. I am a high school graduate. I am currently living in Muntinlupa City, Philippines. I have an experience abroad, first in Qatar, 2017 to 2021. I am taking care of their grandchildren, ages 3, 6, and 8, while their parents go to travel abroad. And I have also experience in Saudi Arabia for almost 2 years and 5 months. I am responsible to cooking, cleaning, ironing, laundering, everything. To my future employer in Romania, ma'am, sir, please choose me as your domestic helper. I am a patient, honest, reliable, hardworking, and trustworthy. I promise to do my best to serve your family in the future. Thank you and God bless.